Hi everyone, welcome to NefisTV. Is there anything more refreshing in the summertime than a nice cold glass of cool lime? Well, I guess we all know the answer. So today, we're gonna make it at home. It's gonna be so quick, delicious, and refreshing. Hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy. Before starting, freeze for about 300 milliliters of water in a ziplock bag, lay it flat in the freezer. We're gonna need it afterwards. Cool lime is made with limes for sure, but in this video, I'll use lemons instead of limes. In Turkey, limes are not as common as lemons, so I wanted to show that lemons also work well, and you can use either one of them. First, you will need to zest the lemons. Zesting is removing the very outer layer of the skin where there is no bitterness, and this layer has all the flavor. The white fleshy pith is what we avoid because it tastes bitter, so be careful with that. I'm using a grater, but a peeler also works great for zesting lemons. Add the mint leaves and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Rub for about 2 minutes to release the flavors. Now add 800 milliliters of cold water. Squeeze out the juice of 2 lemons. You can adjust the amount of sugar or lemon juice to your preference, and if you're using limes, don't forget that they are slightly more bitter and sour, so you might want to add more sugar. Finally, add the lemon juice and stir until well incorporated. Pour the drink through the strainer into a jug. Smash the ice inside the bag with a rolling pin or other heavy object. I'm using my garlic masher right now. Fill the glass with crushed ice. Pour in the drink and garnish it with mint leaves and lime or lemon wheels. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe if you haven't already done so and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching!